Okay. This is the county-level obesity dashboard developed in Tableau and integrated with R statistical software. And R is an open source platform. And the dashboard identifies factors that are highly correlated with obesity and creates a model to predict future obesity rates at the county level. And the goal of the dashboard is to have it up on Tableau public for viewing. The dashboard combines several different open sources of data, including USDA, CDC, US Census, and HRSA. On the top left is the US broken down by county. Green counties indicate a decrease in predicted obesity rates. Red county indicates an increase in predicted obesity rate, and the darker the color, the greater the increase or decrease. To the right are demographic and health characteristics, including race, ethnicity, age, gender, health, and economic indicators. And below is a look at the state and county comparisons. It's ranked. So you can see the actual obesity rate, the predicted obesity rate, and then the predicted difference between the predicted and actual. And then a bar chart indicating the actual obesity rate and then the predicted obesity rate. Red indicates an increase in predicted obesity rate, and green indicates a decrease in predicted obesity rate. And to the right are several scatter plots. X-axis is the obesity rate. The y-axis are significant indicators to the model. So these include physical inactivity, number of farmers markets, number of grocery stores, those who have some college or those who are uninsured. An increase in the slope indicate an increase in obesity rate, a decrease in the slope indicate a decrease in obesity rate, and the darker the color indicates the greater association to obesity rate. So what a user can do is click on a particular state that they're interested in. Let's say, for example, Texas. And the state of Texas will show up with the counties that have a greater predicted increase in obesity or decrease. Also on the map is overlay of certain services. This data was collected by the HRSA data warehouse. And right now we have farmers markets plotted, but we can also choose health centers, among others. And then we can look at the state's demographics, the county rankings, and then the scatter plots for the state. And so we can see here that farmers markets are strongly correlated with a decrease in obesity rates. So potentially we could look at the areas that are deep red, tech counties that are deep red, and one service could be increasing the numbers of farmers markets in that area. And so the goal is really to understand the risk and protective factors for obesity for each state within each county, understand the high probabilities of increased obesity rates, and then also map the available services and to minimize the risk, and then just build